So I just finished my treatments here at Marie France, and now I am going to take my barley. I only drink barley from I Am Worldwide. Amazing, pure organic barley from Australia. Beware, because there are some crazy people who are saying that I take Navitas. I do not take Navitas. Navitas is not FDA approved. Ito po, FDA approved. Dito lang po tayo sa legit. Ooh, yes. Okie-dokie. The reason why we have to call out these people who are making fake claims, like saying that I drink different kinds of barley, which hindi naman ito yung barley talaga na ininom ko. Ayaw po natin na makaloko ng mga people, okay? Ayaw natin na imbis na maganda para sa kalusugan nila, because that is what barley is. Barley is so good for your health. Barley has 68 micronutrients. This is jam-packed with vitamins, with antioxidants, with amino acids, with enzymes. So this is a superfood. Kaya naman, sana wala ng mga tao na nagsasamantala sa ibang mga tao by giving false ad. So again, here we are. See, in fact, baon ko talaga everywhere we go ang I Am Worldwide Amazing Pure Organic Barley. Yan ang binabaon ko with me. See, even here at Marie France, dala-dala ko siya. 30 minutes before your meals, take it. Okay. So again, mag-ingat. Yay! You may order from legit Team Padilla Distributors.